I think I messed up. I didn't clean my PC and now it's running slower than a turtle on a lazy Sunday. Let's fix that. Let's dive into some simple tips to keep your PC running smoothly for years. First, keep it clean. Dust can clog up your PC, causing it to overheat. Use compressed air to clean the inside every few months. And don't forget to organize your cables for better airflow. Next, ensure proper ventilation and cooling. Keep your PC in a well-ventilated area, away from heat sources. Check that your fans are working properly, and consider upgrading them if needed. Use a surge protector to shield your PC from power surges. And always shut down your PC properly. Regular software maintenance is key. Keep your operating system and drivers updated and regularly run antivirus scans. Monitor your PC's temperatures and avoid overclocking to prevent overheating. Finally, use quality components and upgrade parts when necessary. Back up your files regularly and run system diagnostics to catch issues early. Follow these steps and your PC will thank you with years of smooth performance.